headed to Lindenhurst, New York right now. Super pumped to be saying that we have GTR content on the channel again. This summer I kind of really wanted to focus on just learning on how to be a new father and to adapt. It's a lot. It's easy, it's hard, it's mixed with emotions, it's fun, it's great. Like if you're planning on having kids with your spouse, by all means have kids, it's great. Just a lot of work. But I feel like with anything, it's a lot of work. Like your projects are a lot of work, school's a lot of work, work's a lot of work. So no matter what, change is always good for your life. I'm super pumped just to be able to do what I'm doing. And I have a very supportive wife, a very supportive family. So with that, I don't feel like we should shut down the vlog and quit now. We're already in depth with everything already. Like, we might as well just keep these videos coming, not for the money, not for the fame, but just to document life in general. We're heading to Lindenhurst. I've always wanted these wheels. There's something about JDM cars and these wheels, and they're Hot Boy wheels. I'm telling you right now, it's the first set of Hot Boy wheels that I'm ever going to purchase. Probably the only set of Hot Boy wheels that I'll ever be able to purchase. Supra's good, the RX-7's good. The only car that still irks me, and maybe that's why we haven't really been pushing hard for the GTR, has been the Pandem R32 GTR. The 19s just remind me of like a Dub magazine. Even though GMR makes really great wheels, I feel these wheels look a lot better on an R35 compared to an R32. So we're heading to go grab some 18s, some big lipped 18s. Let's just get back to filming, boys. Alright guys, so the time has come. You guys get to see exactly what we purchased all the way out here in Long Island. We're right down the street from Jones Beach. I'm sure you love it. But we picked up some Work VSKFs. They are 18 by 12, -6 all the way around. I'm praying to God they fit on the GTR. But look at that lip, bruh. It's the size of my hand. My hand ain't really that big, but pretty freaking big, man. So I think it's 5.5 or 6-inch lips. Not much damage. There's one wheel right here that has a little nick. The lips could use a polish. They could also use some wet sanding and whatnot. But I can't thank Anthony enough for the hookup. They do have these 265/35s on here. We're probably gonna just take these off, get some Falcon 615Ks or RT660s. So we'll probably use these as drift spares. Let's get home to New Jersey. We got about another 2-hour drive home. It took us about 3 hours to get here just because there's so much freaking traffic. I got my iced coffee. I'm ready to go. Let's go test fit these wheels. I'm pumped. I'm sure you guys are pumped. So yeah, we got the full collection now. We got the Meisters, we got the VSXXs, now we have the VSKF. guys know I couldn't end a video without showing you what we did. Obviously we ran out of daylight, so we're gonna actually have to show you the wheels at the Wawa gas station. Check it out. So we got the VSKFs on. I love them, guys. I don't know, call me hype boy or whatever. I've always wanted KFs, and now they are here on the actual GTR Pandem. There's nothing like taking a video at Wawa, by the way. What do you guys think? Do you think they fit the car or what? So sick. This is some crazy gap right here. Alright guys, so we're gonna drive her home. Just kind of wanted to give you guys a walk around of what the car kind of looks like and what it's gonna start looking like on these videos. I think this is the perfect mod to kind of just keep the momentum going, and oh, it's perfect, guys. I'm so happy with the VSKFs over the GMRs. So let's see what the next mod brings. I can't wait. Finish the vet. Now we're gonna get started on the GTR stuff, and then the next thing will be the actual the next build will be the actual Supra. So we're gonna revamp the Supra, but mainly what we're gonna do right now is focus on the GTR, get this thing squared away, perfect running. I wanna run some Bear Mountain runs, some mountain runs with the boys, and really take it out. But look at that fitment though. Dude, this is like the perfect fitment for the Pandem kit. Just need some tires and maybe a little bit of a drop. Maybe we need at least 2 inches on the other side, on the driver's side, and then we're gonna need like maybe an inch on the rear so we can run some flush patterns. All right, Jill, you got your TikTok? Follow my sister on TikTok right here. And then yeah, let's get her rolling. Watch out, Jill. All right, guys, so we're gonna end this video here. Please like, share, subscribe. We'll see you guys on the next one. And guys, I'm very, very pumped to get back to some JDM content on this channel. Let us know if you guys have any suggestions for the GTR, and we'll go from there.